Hello guys, today we're going to see words related to the circus. Remember to elect the words by paying attention to the pictures. Now please repeat after me. Canon. C-A-N-N-O-N. Canon. Clown. C-L-O-W-N. Clown. Costumes. C-O-S-T-U-M-E-S. Costumes. Dangerous. D-A-N-G-E-R-O-U-S. Dangerous. Tricks. T-R-I-C-K-S. Tricks. Ringmaster. R-I-N-G-M-A-S-T-E-R. Ringmaster. Trapeze. T-R-A-P-E-Z-E. Trapeze. Trampoline. T-R-A-M-P-O-L-I-N-E. Trampoline. If you have any doubt, with pleasure I will clarify it. Please repeat the video as many times as necessary for better understanding. Thank you for your attention.